The Iconic Motobi 1953 spring lasting to 100cc motorcycle. Introduced in 1953, Motobi spring lasting to 100cc quickly became a symbol of style and performance in the motorcycle world. Powered by a robust 100cc engine, this classic beauty delivers a smooth and exhilarating ride. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a vintage motorcycle enthusiast, Motobi spring lasting to 100cc offers an unforgettable experience in the open road. Crafted with attention to detail, the Motobi spring lasting to 100cc boasts a timeless design with its distinctive chrome accents and the iconic Motobi emblem. Equipped with advanced suspension and responsive brakes, this motorcycle ensures a smooth and safe journey, providing confidence and control. Whether you're a collector or a rider seeking a nostalgic adventure, Motobi 1953 spring lasting to 100cc is a true classic that stands the test of time.